What's up? Kia Too Technical, back again with another video today. As you can see, the kind people over at PITAKA, they were kind enough to send me out their woven form hermit fiber case for the Z46, but this is the dummy. So I'm just gonna show you what it would look like on the Z46 dummy. So if you have a Z46, you'll get to see what this looks like before you pick it up. They also sent me over their built-in NFC chips, strong magnet connection. So pretty much this is like a ring that you can stick on the back of your device, and I'm gonna demonstrate that in a minute. But first, let's open up this case, see what you get. And PITAKA makes nice quality cases. This is what it looks like. So pretty much it's just the back plate. It's not the front. You get a little silver ring around the camera bump, MagSafe. So pretty much you just want to pick up your Z46, put it on like so. Like I said, this is just a back plate. But if you place your phone flat down on the table, you will be good to go. No problem. It says PITAKA. So if you do have a real Z Fold 6, I would recommend you getting a screen protector on the front, because this is just for the back. And then this is what it would look like if you had this. Sticks on just like that. Gives it good protection. You want to use your phone like this, you can do that, or you can use this as a kickstand. Let's see here. Let's see if we can get it to. This is the dummy, so it's not going to hold up good, but I'm sure you can use it in this angle if you wanted to. This is what it looks like though on the device. Now I'm going to take you over to their website so you can see what other colors you can get, and see how much this costs you. So pretty much this says for the Z Fold 5, but it also is for the Z Fold 6. But pretty much this is what it will look like. And this will currently run you $59.99. Kind of pricey, but it's nice, thin, nice quality, as you can see. And it comes in 3 different colors. They sent me over the black gray. You can get this in the moonrise, which is like a little bluish kind of color. Or you could get this in the sunset, which is very, very nice. And it shows that it has the MagSafe capable, and it shows the woven, and it really does look good, as you can see. On your smartphone, it will really look good if you have the Z Fold 6. This is what it'll look like. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I will put a link in the description to where you can go pick this up for yourself. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.